I am Miss Anna Lee from the Ashland branch of the Pamunkey Regional Library, and I'm here today to show you how to make a candy cane spinner. All right, let's get ready. All right, to make your candy spinner, you will need the kit that you got from the library, which has the 2 pieces of candy paper, a piece of cardboard, and the yarn. And you will also need to have some scissors, a sharp pencil, either glue stick or regular school glue. So the first thing you need to do is cut out your 2 circles, and you'll be left with this. All right, then you're going to take your glue stick and glue the back of the paper and stick it on. All right. Now you want to let that dry a little bit, and then you're going to get a grown-up to help you, because this part can be a little bit tricky. You're going to use the sharp pencil to poke through the holes on this. Don't cut it out or anything yet, just poke a hole. Be sure that your finger is not underneath. Okay, see it's sticking out there. Gonna make that a nice size hole. And then I'm going to do it on this side. It's good to have a grown-up help you with this part, because you don't want to get any ouches. All right, once you've gotten those done, you're going to cut out around the circle. And you may need a grown-up to help you. These are kind of thick. Don't worry if you have to do that, that's fine. All right, then you are left with this, with the holes in it. Then you're going to take your other piece of candy that you cut out, and see where those holes are? You're going to fold it to go right across those holes. Okay. And then open that up, and you're going to position that right there where your holes are. So it's going across, and then I know when I go like this, it'll be right where those holes are that I've already punched. So I'm gonna glue this. Center it right where those holes are. And tape it, or glue it down really good. Okay. Then I'm going to poke through those holes, just like I did the other side. And it's going to go right through the hole on that side. See? Got them all lined up. Again, being sure my finger's not under there. Okay. So I've got 2 good holes, both sides. Keep your pencil, because now we're going to put the yarn through. So I'm going to lay the yarn across the hole, and then use the pencil to poke the yarn through and pull it through. See? Now, if that's not working for you, you can always put a piece of tape around there, and then you can poke it through that way. Okay, I'm going to poke it back through the other hole. There. Just like that. I'm going to pull it out. Now, I'm going to tie a knot. So we're going to put both ends just like that, and then make a knot. Okay, you can even make another one just to be sure that it's nice and secure. Okay, then we're gonna pull this through so that our swirly candy is on the middle. All right, then let me show you how to do this. Okay, so we've got our candy in the middle. I've got it around my middle fingers, and then I'm going to do this and just do it around and around and around and around and around, so it's really tight. Okay, and then I'm going to pull my hands apart. And sometimes it takes a little while to get used to this, but you let your hands in. I don't know if you can hear it. You see your candy go? What color does it look? Looks pink, huh? It's because the red and the white are blending in your vision. Now, you can make this the yarn smaller if you need to because it's hard, but it won't do this as well. You need a certain length for it to get this tight. Now, how long can you keep it going? Okay, well, I hope that you have fun with your Starlight and Mint candy cane spinner, and we'll see you later at the Ashland Library.